Hi, Victory here, back with Steely Man. I've been working on his brain the last little while and coming along. I'd just like to show you how it's going to work. The movements on the front are going to be very subtle, just to give us a sense of consciousness that it's not an inanimate object. So little movement in the mouth and the eyes back and forth, maybe up and down. So we'll have to figure how we can connect the brain to the face. But let me show you how it's going to work. Well, let's just get his face off. And there is his brain. The way this works is there's an electric motor down in the bottom, and once we connect that up, those chains and gears drive all the mechanisms to give us the effect of the consciousness of him thinking. It's movement only for the sake of movement. So inside the base is a electric motor running at 2 RPM, chain driven, and that comes to our main shaft. And on that shaft we've got a couple little cams that have rods that go all the way up to move the other gears. One moves this gear here back and forth, and the other one here is moving these gears back and forth. So all the parts are found objects: bicycle chains, clock parts, gears, part from an old gramophone, but they're all linked together for movement. In order to connect the face to the brain, we've got several methods. We've got a rotational one on the main shaft. Here we have a cam that follows a shape, which is giving us an up and down movement. And the third one is the arm here that comes forward, and we'll be able to put another rod here going to the front that will go front and back. So those would be our 3 ways to connect the face. And just look at what we've got to connect to. The mouth is sprung with some shock cord, so the mouth can move back and forth and up and down. And we've got 2 places to connect on each side. The eyes are allowed to move side to side, and they're sprung so they move front to back, and they also can rotate. So this is going to be our challenge, to make a connection between the face and the brain.